Today in this video we are going to explore what is a herb, cosmetic use, culinary use, medicinal use, and much more. What is a herb? The word herb refers to any plant with fragrant or aromatic properties, whose root, stem, leaves and flowers can be used for culinary, cosmetic, medicinal purposes and many more. Culinary use. Herbs are an amazing way to enhance flavor and color to any sort of dish and drink, both sweet or savory. Herbs and food combinations. With fish recipes: parsley, lemon verbena, lemon balm, lemon thyme, mint, dill, sage, chives, bay leaves, tarragon, ginger, turmeric, garlic. With meat recipes: bay leaves, chili, basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, sage, tarragon. With eggs recipes: chives, parsley, thyme, rosemary, tarragon. With dessert and fruit punch: pineapple sage, fruit sage, scented geranium, vanilla, lavender, rosemary, lemon thyme, mint, rose, anise, fennel, cinnamon basil, violet. Fresh and dried herbs. Certain herbs are best fresh, as they lose their distinctive flavor once dried. For example, basil, parsley, mint, chives and tarragon have a superior flavor when fresh. Fresh herbs should be added toward the end of cooking or before serving to maintain their distinctive flavor. Other herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, bay leaf, and fennel seed are best when used dried. Dried herbs have a stronger flavor and need time to rehydrate. For this reason, they should be added during cooking to allow the heat to release their flavors. Herbs and spices. A herb refers to the leafy green part of a plant, both dried or fresh, for example, basil, oregano, sage, parsley and chives. A spice is a product from other parts of the plant, like seeds, berries, bark, and roots, usually dried and ground. Examples: cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, and clove. Medicinal use. Herbal medicine has been used since prehistoric times, to treat several health conditions and to support our physical, mental and emotional well-being. Nowadays herbal medicine is commonly used as a prevention form, to treat mild symptoms of diseases and to strengthen our organism. Here are a few examples. Echinacea is used to boost our immune system and reduce cold and flu symptoms. St. John wort is used to regulate mood disorders and anxiety and act as an antidepressant. Ginger is used to treat nausea and soothe digestive complaints and boost the immune system. Mullein acts as a demulcent to treat common cold, cough, and bronchitis. Fennel has antispasmodic and carminative effects to treat bloating, flatulence, and constipation. Lemon balm is used to relieve anxiety, nervous indigestion and nervous headache. Herbal medicine involves a combination of plant parts such as leaves, flowers, roots and seeds. Each part of the plant contains a different percentage of active compounds, all very important to our health. Herbs' active compounds. Flavonoids act as powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Examples of flavonoids containing plants are chamomile, juniper berries, hawthorn flowers and birch leaves. Polyphenols act as antioxidants to combat cell damage and are good for blood circulation. Examples of polyphenols containing plants are chicory, red onion and spinach. Glycolic acid improves the texture of the skin due to sun damage and acne. Examples of glycolic acid containing plants are sugar beet and sugarcane. Glycosides act as antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and effects on heart muscles. Examples of glycosides containing plants are oleander, foxglove, and lily of the valley. Be aware all parts of these plants are highly poisonous when ingested. Tannins act as a mild astringent on the skin and tighten up tissue, like varicose veins. Examples of tannins containing plants are sage leaves, blueberries, and walnut leaves. Mucilage to soothe and protect internal and external inflammation in the body. Examples of mucilage containing plants are mullein and marshmallow. Alkaloids act as analgesic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. For example, all plants of the poppy family are rich in alkaloids. Saponins to support the gastrointestinal and respiratory tract. Examples of saponins containing plants are legumes, quinoa, and oat. Fatty acids support brain and heart health. Examples are hemp seed, chia seed, edamame. Be careful. Herbal medicine can be as potent as pharmaceutical drugs and should be taken with the same caution and respect. Just because herbs are natural, doesn't mean they are safe and harmless all the time. Always talk with your healthcare provider before starting any natural products, especially if you are pregnant, taking medications or have a particular health condition. Herbal medicine can interact with other medications, making them less effective or even dangerous for our health. Cosmetic use. Herbal cosmetic is widely used nowadays in skincare products, hair care and perfumery. The cosmetical use is focused on preparations containing phytochemicals from a variety of herbs, providing the necessary nutrients for healthy skin and enhancing hair growth and care. Different parts of herbs are added to cosmetic preparations, due to their natural healing properties like antioxidant, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, along with minerals and vitamins. Here are a few examples. Lavender is used to treat acne and scars, by calming and healing the skin due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Calendula is used to soothe skin irritation due to sunburn, acne, eczema, and psoriasis, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Lemongrass is used to purify and detox skin, due to its antifungal, antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Aloe vera gel is used as a moisturizer, emollient and after sun. Rosewater is used for its calming and soothing properties, to reduce skin redness and puffiness. Peppermint and rosemary commonly used in shampoos, to revitalize the scalp and fight hair loss. Goji commonly used in conditioner for a deep nourishing of damaged hairs. Crafting use. Herbs have a wide versatility into the crafting sector. Herbal crafting is focused to preserve the fragrance and the beauty of leaves and flowers. Potpourri, candles, wreaths, garlands, herbal soaps and herbal dyes, are just a few of the many crafting projects we can create with our aromatic herbs. Spiritual use. Herbs can be burned, sprinkled around or worn as an amulet to attract or repel bad energies. A good example is white sage, Salvia apiana, commonly used as a smudge stick. A smudge stick is a bundle of dried herbs, wrapped together by twine, which is later burned as part of a ritual. Sage, cedar, rosemary, palo santo and juniper are common plants used for this purpose. Burning a smudge stick is known as smudging, an ancient ritual from indigenous cultures, which burned sage for centuries to clean the energetic field of a person, object or space. Companion plants. This is a common gardening practice that grows different plants close to each other, especially vegetables and herbs, to improve their general health and growth and to control pests and disease. Here are a few examples. Fennel repels fleas. Pennyroyal repel ants, fleas and flies. Be aware, this herb is highly toxic to cats. Lavender repels mosquitoes, flies and moths. Cilantro repels aphids and spider mites. Legumes plants, like peas and beans, enhance growth to the nearest plants, due to their fixing nitrogen ability into the soil. Marigold plants release chemicals from their roots to deter nematodes into the soil. Garlic and onion increase the sulfur level in the soil, to achieve control over fungal diseases. As you can see, herbs can be used in an unlimited number of ways. Let your imagination run wild, be curious and especially, have fun.